Hello friends, today I am going to explain to you the ratio exercise 8.1. It's very simple based on division. Now exercise 8.1 sum number 1, it says 20 is to 40 and we have to reduce this to its simplest form, which is we have to write 20 by 40, cut 0 0, 2 ones are 2 twos are is equal to 1 by 2 or 1 is to 2 is your answer. Sum number 2 says 40 is to 20. That means in division form we are going to write 40 by 20. Now we have to reduce this to the lowest term. Cut 0 0, 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, which is equal to 2 by 1 or 2 is to 1 is your answer. Similarly, we are going to do sum number 3. It says 81 is to 108. Again the same process, 81 by 108. Now you decide by what number we can reduce this. I think 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. Again 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now can we reduce this further? No. So we get the fraction 3 by 4 or 3 is to 4 is your answer. Now let us proceed sum number 4. 98 is to 63. 98 divided by 63. Now let us reduce this by 7. 7 9s are 63. 7 14s are 98, which is coming down to 14 by 9, and this is not reduced anymore, so we are going to write 14 is to 9. This is your answer. Now let us proceed to sum number 2. It says fill in the missing numbers in the following equivalent ratio. I am sure you all have done how to find equivalent in your previous lessons. So the same process valids here. It says 14 by 21 is equal to blank by 3 is equal to 6 by blank. Now as you can see children, that 21 and this is 3. That means we have to divide this by the same number up and down. So let me see what is it. 14, 21 divide by 7 in both the cases. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. So we already have 3 here. So that means the word to be filled in the box is 2. Next, the upper number is 6. So 14 by 21. 14 by 21 is equal to 2 by 3 is equal to 6 by question mark. Now we have to find this value. So 2 by 3. Now in this case, this number is bigger than 2. That means in that case we have to multiply. So 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 6 by 9. Alright. So now let me arrange the entire sum. 14 by 21 is equal to 2 by 3 is equal to 6 by 9. This is your complete answer. Now sum number 2. It says 15 by 18 is equal to question mark by 6 is equal to 10 by question mark is equal to question mark by 30. So as I have already explained earlier, one by one we are going to solve them. So 15 by 18. This is a smaller number, that means we need to divide with the same number. That means divide by 3 up and down, which comes down to 5 by 6. So 15 by 18 is equal to 5 by 6 is equal to 10 by question mark. Now we will take this fraction in order to find the value here. So 5 by 6. Now dear, this number is bigger than 5. That means this number is bigger than 5. That means we have to multiply. That is multiplied by 2 both up and down. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. So let me write again. 15 by 18 is equal to 5 by 6 is equal to 10 by 12 is equal to, now this is the last blank space which we need to follow. Now we all know that 30 is not a multiple of 12. Hence we will not take this fraction. Instead we will take this fraction in order to find the value of the last digit. So 5 by 6. Now again the denominator is greater. That means we need to multiply into 5. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. So the complete answer is 15 by 18 is equal to 5 by 6 is equal to 10 by 12 is equal to 25 by 30. Sum number 2, 91 centimeter to 1.04 meter. So now we will convert meter to centimeter. So 1.04 meter is equal to 104 centimeter. So now let us evaluate 91 by 104. So now in the tables of 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104. So we get the fraction 7 by 8 or 7 is to 8. Your answer. Next, sum number 3. 3.5 kg to 250 grams. So now that means this is the fraction which is equal to 3500 by 250. Cut the number of 0. 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 0. 5 1s are, 5 1s are, 5 4s are. So 14 by 1 is equal to 14 is to 1. This is your answer. Sum number 4. 60 paise to 4 rupees. So we will convert rupees to paise. So 4 rupees is equal to 400 paise. 60 by 400. Cut the number of 0. 2 3s are 220, which is 3 by 20 or 3 is to 20. Now sum number 5. 1 minute to 15 seconds. That means now we have to convert minute into second. That is 60 seconds to 15 seconds is equal to 60 by 15. 15 ones are, 15 fours are. 4 by 1 or 4 is to 1. Now sum number 6. 15 millimeter to 2 centimeter. So now let me convert centimeter to millimeter. So 2 centimeter is equal to 20 millimeter. Now the same process, 15 by 20, 5 3s are 5, 5 3s are 5 4s are 20, which comes down to 3 by 4 or 3:4. This is your answer. Now, sum number 4. It says the length and the breadth of a rectangular park are 125 meter and 60 centimeter respectively. What is the ratio of the length to the breadth of the park? So, length is equal to 125 meter, breadth is equal to 60 meter. So they want the ratio of length to the breadth. That means length by breadth is equal to 125 by 60. 5 12s are 60. 525 or 25 by 12 is equal to 25:12. So this is the ratio of the length to the breadth of the park. The ratio of the length to the breadth of the park is 25:12. Now we will do sum number 5. It says the population of a village is 4,800. If the number of female is 2,160, find the ratio of male to that of females. So here total number of population is equal to 4,800. Number of females is equal to 2,160. So now we can easily find the number of males there. Therefore, number of males, that means we have to subtract the number of females from the total population. So it's come down to 2,640. So this is the number of male in that village. And now we have to find the ratio of males to that of females. So the number of male is 2,640 by 2,160. First let me cancel 0. Now let us proceed with 2. 2 1s are 0, 8. 2 1s are 3, 2. 2 5s are 2 4s are. 2 6s are 2 6s are. 2 2s are 2 7s are. 2 3s are. 3 9s are 3 11s are, which is 11 by 9 or 11:9. This is the ratio of males to females is 11:9.